Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to add your spouse and file your taxes jointly on TurboTax. So the first step is, of course, log into your TurboTax account or create an account on turbotax.com if you don't already have one. Now here I've already added my personal information, and to view them simply go to my info from the menu on the left, and there is my info. Now to add a spouse, simply drop down the menu here and then click on revisit your info if you have already entered them. Okay, then continue, and then continue once again, and continue once again, and then continue once again. And here about your household. In your marital status, you can select married and then check the plan to file jointly and then continue. Now you'll be asked to enter your wife's information. So I'm gonna add them here pretty quickly. Let's say Dana Smith, okay, date of birth, and then the job. Let's say she is a manager or the co-manager. Okay, next, continue. Then add her social security number or just skip it for now. And then simply add her information the same way you did for yourself. So, no, here, none of these applies. Of course, you can read them and choose whichever applies to her. Okay, continue. And now continue. And now you're back to your info window right again. And this time you'll see another tab with your other household with your spouse name. You can click to expand it, and here you'll see her information, and you can click on revisit in order to revisit and edit any information for her.